And in this tutorial we are going to locate the onboard diagnostic connector and diffusers. Be sure to subscribe, like, and to be notified for any more videos. Today our car is a Saxo Desire 2003. So make your way to the passenger side. And just underneath the glove box you got a small panel. So you just prise that open. So inside here it looks like it's got an insurance box attached to the connector. So just remove that. There's the connector, and then you got the fuses as well. And you got the removal tool for the fuses, and you got the relays too.